Hello everyone. Today we will learn what is the difference between del remove and pop method. So if we go one by one, here we have got, I'll start with del. Del is a keyword. And second, it's remove. Remove is a method. And it's a class method. And here pop is also a method. Pop is a method. Now when we use them in our program, how to use them and what for? See here, del keyword is a keyword and it works with index number, because we are using all these in the list. So this will be working on, remove works with value. Keep in mind please, this is very important. Then this pop also works with index number. So here two are working with the index number and remove is working with the value. So you will have to take care of that. So here I am taking one list, and this list is say something like this. I will put here say 20, 40, then value 60, 50, 60, and then you can take 80, then you can take 100, then 120 some values, 140, then 160, like this. We are picking some values and putting all those in the list. Now when I have created this list, now let us apply one by one. If I use del, so what I'll do with del, first of all let us print this list, because this is the original one, so I would like to see it as it is. So this is my original list. When you will run this program, what you get here, just run it and see what you get here. You got the original list. Now let us one by one apply these keyword and methods to this. Now I will delete one element from this list. So I will give del list, and which element, let us suppose if I want to go with the second one, so I will write 1 and I'll apply this, and then after this I'll print this list. This is index number. Keep in mind whatever I have given here, that is an index number. So execute this and see the output. Which element gone? Your second element is out. 40 has gone. Now because in Python, keep in mind index number in collections, index number starts with 0. So 0 is the first one and 1 is the second element. So that has gone. Now similarly I will apply remove. So when I will use remove, so I will use remove method. So first of all, as it is a method, so you will have to take list, then remove. Remove what you want to remove. Remove I want to remove 100. See, keep in mind please, again it's a value. Remove uses value, and then you can print it. So then you can print, and what you will be printing, the list after having removing 100. So run it again. What you are going to get? You are going to get 20, 60, 80, 120, 140 and 160. What is gone? Your 100 value has gone. 100 has gone. So now again apply your pop-up method. So what you will do, as it's a method, so use in the same way pop, and then here you need to give index number. So in the first go I will not give anything, so print it and see what you are going to get. Run it and you will be removing your what, this will remove your last element. Actually by default, keep in mind this here, pop will remove by default the last element. Pop will remove the last element by default. So here I'll have to write it by default, by default, by default, by default, by default pop uses index as -1. So all the time if it is using -1 means last element will be deleted. And then see this, but one more thing I would like to do here, list, and then I will use pop, and pop this time I would like to give some index number. Say in this index number I give 2, I'll give 2, and then see what it's doing. That will be 2 0 1 2. 2 means your 0 1 2, your 80 will be out. So print it and see the output. 80 has gone. Now after this, one more thing I want to do here, that is I did it with the delete index number, but this time coming here I will come to this list, and this time I'll give list, del list. I'll not give anything. Then I will print this. Print list. What you will get? I hope nothing will be now there, because your list will get deleted. So run it and see the output, please. And no, nothing has been, because print list, nothing is there, because list is, this has been class list. So this has come, and then after that the other commands are giving you an error. So this way you can understand, when I have given this del list command, it has given you nothing is there, list is empty. And although these should have run before that, but it is just for the testing purpose what del is doing. It means del is removing, and then there onward you don't have any index number and anything, that's why it's giving you error. So this was all about del, remove and pop methods of your list, how you can apply, and what all are the difference between of these three. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.